Stop by and take a look at the 2023 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, four-wheel drive, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, remote trunk release, tires front all season, tires rear all season, integrated turn signal mirrors. Come take a test drive today.